Alright, put a little bit in.
Yep.
Like a lot. A little bit.
Well, that's plenty. We're going to put more stuff in there.
Alright.
Alright?
Yep, yep.
So now...
Why is it not exploding yet?
It's not exploding yet because
of detergent.
squirt.
Yep.
And squirt.
In the volcano.
Yeah, it got out.
Okay?
Spilled on the side a little bit. Alright, we can wash it off.
Yeah.
Wait, move out of the way.
I'm
And
so
the
ready.
baking soda. Not yet. Put the vinegar in. The vinegar will make it explode. Wait a minute. We have to take a little bit of water. Yeah, a little bit too much. Okay. You can touch that with your finger and just move it in.
Put the whole thing in.
Yeah. Okay.
And why is it not?
Now we need to add the vinegar. Then it will explode.
Okay, so you gotta go put your goggles on.
Wait, everybody go get your goggles. Go get your goggles.
Come on, we're gonna have the experiment. Wait, Bodie.
Get your goggles on. Get your goggles on.
He's gonna watch it from up there.
Alright,
What are we doing? Hurry up, what are we doing?
we got a volcano going to explode. We just need to put the vinegar in.
Yeah.
Wait, do you have food coloring?
No, we'll do the food coloring next time. All right?
Alright, yep.
All right, do you want me to do the vinegar or are you gonna do the vinegar?
How much do I pour?
Just fill it up.
Fill it up.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Wait, add some more.
That's good, that's good.
It's going to, when's it going to explode?
It is. It's all that stuff is the stuff coming out of it. Because it's only a little hole.
But why is it not? And it's going to be big this
Back up,
time.
buddy.
Holy God! Hey, mix it up, yeah.
Holy dog.
Back up, back up.
Back up, back up.
There you go. Now.
It's going to explode again. Hey. Oh, wait.
Stay on the grass.
Where did you find this? Oh, more baking soda. I got that. The whole thing?
Yep.
Now some more vinegar?
See, the hole is very big. That's why it... See? That's how it explodes. It doesn't
Wow.
go way up in the air.
Oh, there. That's how it explodes. Wait, hold on. Wait, do it again.
You know, next time you come to save that, Ryan has one he knows how to do.
Mix it up.
Wait, is it filming?
Yes, but see, the hole is only that
Wait,
long,
like
that big.
Maybe for a lot.
So if you do
Ready,
this,
ready. This is where the explosion.
all right.
That looks like lava now.
Now we just put a little. Yeah, now it looks like lava. So you just put a little bit of hot water in.
Gonna do it again.
Okay.
Oh, look at that! Look at that!
The volcano.
No, don't touch it.
Before it blows up.
Back up.
It's going to blow up, Eddie.
Put your goggles on.
Ready?
Go one more time.
One more time. One more time. That's how it blows up. Hot water.
Then some.
Mix it. Vinegar. Whoa!
Okay.
That was cool. That's how you interrupt the volcano.
That is so cool.
I could've.
My pig now.
And look at this.
Look
Look at that volcano.
the volcano.
That volcano. That was good. Maybe next. I don't know why we are wearing like goggles. little goggles.
I thought it was gonna explode high.
Higher, but maybe next time
If it had,
it can explode higher.
if it had a bigger hole, it
Yeah.
would go higher. But you only have a little hole. That's why it doesn't go real high.
Yeah. Can we touch it?
Yep.
Look at that. That just feels weird. That just feels weird.
Hey, get your fingers out of there.
You can touch it.
All right, sir. Thanks. Say baking soda and vinegar. That's what they're doing.
Hey, Trent! What did you do? Oh.
Do it one more time.
Yes, one more. One more time.
Put your hands out of it.
I'm looking.
One more time. We're doing it one more time.
Let's empty it out.
Let's empty it out again.
Okay. Tiny bit of water, because we only have a little hole. A squirt of detergent.
Like, this is going to be crazy.
Baking soda.
Is that all right? No sun on you now, right? I don't want you to get sun on your back.
Then the vinegar.
And then the vinegar makes the chemical reaction.
That's a nice picture you got.
Whoa! There we go. Wait, if we add more vinegar, it
No,
explodes
it
more.
won't, because it's not really big.
Whoa!
There you go.
That's how they just add more vinegar to it, and it like explodes. Whoa! That's cool. Wait, one more.
You taping this?
Whoa. Yeah, I'm taping it. Sorry, I'm confused right there.
So it's a chemical reaction between the vinegar
Look at
and the
Hey, no,
baking
Titi.
soda and the detergent.
yeah. Basically, that was cool. Look at this bubble cord there.
Okay?
That's how you interrupt the volcano. You just need like,
On. Is this still on?
yeah, that's on.
Shut it off.
We're done.